and here we are back again with another exciting stock tip. So as usual, we bring to you exciting stock tips every day, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get such exciting tips every day, and also hit the bell icon so that you get the notification. So the stock we have today is Cipla, and as all of you know, Cipla is a leading pharmaceutical company in India and has been there in operations for years now. So the stock has been actually trading in a cup base for almost 9 weeks, for last 9 weeks, as you can see here. But on April 6th, the stock has bounced back from its 50-day moving average on higher volume, and the RSI and the ADX also suggest strong buy on the stock. So you can initiate coverage on the stock at the a zone of 830 to 845 for a target price of close to 920, and the stop loss you can keep is 797. So as the pandemic is again coming back with a second wave, so we believe Cipla would be a beneficiary in the short term of this situation. So don't forget to give it a look, and in terms of technical analysis. But let's also see how the fundamentals look like. So for that, let me take you to the Yahoo Finance portal. The Yahoo Finance portal, so as you can see, I'm just showing you the stock chart for last 1 month. It has been, as you said, it's been a cup based pattern. So it has formed a cup over here and a handle over here, and it is really moving up from here at this level. So crossed 810 in yesterday, so moving up from this level. So this is a pure cup based pattern, what you can see over here. In terms of last 6 months, it has moved in sideways for quite some time. In terms of a yearly chart, it has moved up primarily on the COVID pandemic situation, and all pharmaceutical companies has moved up. But if you look at a 5-year chart, it's been almost kind of up move, down move kind of stock, but in last one it has moved up significantly from that level. So this is the overall stock from the max period. And if you look at the PE ratio, which is almost 29.98 and has a market cap of close to 669 billion rupees. In terms of other stats, let's go into and find out what other stats look like. The fiscal year has good profit last fiscal. So the profit margin is close to 11.85%. Operating margin is close to 16.16%, which is pretty decent from a pharmaceutical company. Revenue is almost 188.78 billion rupees, and the quarterly revenue has growth by 18.2% year on year. This is a good number. This is really exciting for this stock. So this is definitely a good indicator. The quarterly earnings growth is also pretty decent. I should say pretty good. It has huge cash in its balance sheet, almost 41.14 billion rupees, and the book value is almost 211 rupees. So overall, all these indicators look good from a fundamental analysis perspective also. And if you look at the overall stock, it's really going to have a trend from here on, from this point of time. So definitely give it a look, follow this stock, and do not forget to buy it if you really are bullish on the pharmaceutical sector and Cipla in particular. Alright, so that's pretty much over here. So if you like this stock tip and like our channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification in future. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching Wealth Guru.